Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Honeywell VisionPro 8000 thermostat and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this thermostat not working or not syncing or pairing properly with your heating and cooling devices, or just whatever reasons where it's not working right, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You're going to need to set it up again, and that's kind of the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you want to get this thermostat back to the way it was when it came out of the box brand new, so you can set it up as a new device, we can go ahead and do that real easily. All we need to do on this VisionPro 8000 is come up and hit the System button. And from there, there's a black box that's going to open in the center. We're going to press and hold the black box in the center. And then when we do that, we're going to change the number on the left to 0710. 0710, and the number on the right to 1. The number on the right will be 1. Once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and press Done, and that will trigger the factory default reset. Everything will restore, and we can go ahead and set this thermostat up as a new device.